Let me show you how to build this infinite wheel zoom in After Effects. First, move to the point where you want the zoom to start and split the clip into two parts. Now we need to take a screenshot of that frame. I will use the free FX Console plugin. Save the frame as a PNG or JPG. I will name it 1 and save it on my computer. Next, delete the second part of the original clip since we don't need it. Now drag and drop the screenshot into your timeline. Trim the screenshot layer so it starts right after the first clip, and cut the end where you want the zoom to finish. With the still frame on the timeline, we now need to mask out the wheel on the screenshot layer. To do this, I will use Mocha AE. In Mocha, select the ellipse tool and draw a smooth mask around the wheel. Once you are done, click Save and close Mocha AE. By the way, if you want these exact shakes, just a reminder that AM Film Shake preset pack is linked in the description. It's the easiest way to make your edits look expensive with a quick drag and drop. Back in After Effects, expand Matte and click Create AE Masks. Select the screenshot layer, press M to reveal the mask, and change the mask mode to subtract to invert it. With the masking complete, create a new camera layer. Name it Zoom to stay organized. Set the preset to 35mm and the type to 2-node camera, then click OK. Trim the camera layer so it matches the length of the screenshot layer. Next, enable 3D on the screenshot layer. Duplicate the screenshot layer. Press P to reveal the position property on the duplicated layer and zoom in slightly to clearly see the wheel area. Now increase the Z position value. You will see another car layer appear underneath. Zoom in a bit more if needed, then duplicate the screenshot layer again. On the new duplicate, increase the Z position again until another layer appears underneath. Repeat this process by duplicating the layer and increasing the Z position until you have enough depth for the effect. Once you are done, press U to hide the position properties on the screenshot layers. Next, move to the beginning of the camera layer. Press A, then hold Shift and press P to reveal point of interest and position. Click the stopwatch icons to add keyframes at the beginning of the camera layer. Now move to the end of the camera layer. Select the dolly tool and zoom in until the edges of the car are no longer visible. Let me quickly show you the result. The first step is complete. Now select all the keyframes on the camera layer and press F9 to apply Easy Ease. Next, open the graph editor, right-click inside it, select Edit Speed Graph, and create a smooth curve similar to mine. Close the graph editor and preview the animation again. The zoom will now be much smoother. With the zoom complete, move the bottom clip under the screenshot layers so they overlap and create the zoom transition. Next, let's create a wheel opening animation. Duplicate the very bottom screenshot layer. Select the bottom one, press M to reveal the mask settings, and change the mask mode to add to make the wheel visible again. Make sure you are at the beginning of the layer. Press P to reveal the position property and click the stopwatch to add a keyframe. Move forward a few frames, for example 30 frames, and adjust the position up or down to create the opening animation. Select both keyframes and press F9 to apply Easy Ease. Then open the graph editor and create a smooth curve. Let's preview the transition once more. We are almost done. For the final touch, select all screenshot layers and enable motion blur to make the transition smoother. It already looks very smooth, but I will also add a shake effect after the zoom is complete. I will use one shake from the AM Film Shakes pack. You can check my shake tutorials on the channel, and you can also get the AM Film Shakes pack in the description below. Now let's preview the transition with the shake applied, and we are done. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like.